Natural and working lands like wetlands and forests and farms play an important role in capturing and storing carbon. Plants take the carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere, incorporate it into their plant tissue through photosynthesis, and then through the turnover of the vegetation, the organic materials get returned to the soil, and some of the carbon of that organic matter remains stored in the soil. That's sequestration. Sequestration of organic matter in the soil can reduce the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and potentially contribute to reducing climate warming. Forests are particularly helpful in storing carbon, partly because of the trees that store a lot of carbon themselves, but also minimizing the disturbance of the land allows more organic matter to be accumulated in those soils. Wetlands are also very important because of the relatively low oxygen content in the wetlands. The organic matter decomposes only very slowly, so it retains greater amounts of the organic matter in those soils. Farmlands can be important in sequestering carbon as well under certain management strategies. Cover cropping is one important strategy which keeps living roots in the soil throughout the year, which are always contributing carbon to the surrounding soil. Minimizing tillage can be another strategy for accumulating carbon. The lack of disturbance of the soil helps to preserve the organic matter that's stored there. In animal agriculture, pastures can be managed with rotational grazing, which helps to maintain the health of the plants and therefore have greater contributions of organic matter to the soil and greater amounts of sequestration. Besides the benefits to the climate, carbon sequestration is good for the soil quality. That organic matter that's added to the soil provides water holding capacity, nutrient holding capacity, and helps to build the soil structure. So it's important in many different ways to the soil itself.